Let's talk about why adhering to service intervals for the Porsche intermediate shaft bearing is key to extending the life of your Boxster or 911 sports car. The IMS bearing plays a crucial role in your Porsche's engine by connecting the crankshaft to the camshaft. Proper maintenance is not just recommended, it's essential. If it fails, a complete engine rebuild is required to correct for this. Remember, there was no published service interval from Porsche, nor do they currently offer a replacement bearing. For aftermarket IMS bearings, manufacturers provide specific service intervals that are designed to prevent failures before they happen. For example, replacement of the IMS retrofit bearing, regardless of whether a ball bearing or cylindrical roller bearing was used, is recommended every 6 years or 75,000 miles, whichever comes first. The reason why the amount of time is just as important as mileage, as the bearing is in service 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. The bearing is exposed to combustion byproducts and moisture, not to mention the bearing sees a constant load from the timing chains pulling on it. Worn bearings often show corrosive wear and dents in the races, as well as flat spots on the rolling elements. Lack of use is just as bad as poor maintenance for a Porsche engine. If your Porsche is equipped with an IMS retrofit, the IMS Check website at www.imscheck.com can help to determine when your intermediate shaft bearing needs to be replaced and available incentives for proactive replacement. In summary, it's important to note that these intervals are not just arbitrary numbers. They are provided to ensure your Porsche runs smoothly and reliably.
Call or visit ellenengineering.com to learn more.